Hello. In this video, you will join me to learn how to extract the palm nut sauce from dehydrated palm fruits. Basically, the palm nut sauce is used for cooking assorted dishes like rice, soups, sauces, but most importantly, a special stew delicacy locally referred to as ofeakwu. The ofeakwu stew is indigenous to the Igbo people, but it might interest you to know that due to the palatable nature of this stew, people from various parts of the globe are now eating and enjoying this mouth-watering delicacy. Let me also highlight that I have a video on how to cook the ofeakwu stew, so please watch out for that video. Feel free to subscribe to the Global Food Book YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell to be notified once a new video is released. Let me also use this opportunity to welcome both my new and old viewers and subscribers to this channel. Thank you for all your support, and we hope you check out our other videos and stick around this channel as we have a whole lot of interesting contents to share with you. Okay, now moving on to the purpose of this video, I have my dehydrated palm nut chaffs here. Basically, some palm kernels were boiled, pounded, then the chaff separated from the kernels before being dehydrated and preserved. So a lot of palm fruits processing steps had already been bypassed before getting to this stage. So with our dehydrated palm fruits extract in a pan, I started off by pouring hot water over the palm fruits. I covered the pot and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, I added more hot water. The hot water basically helps to extract the oil from the chaffs. But let me warn you ahead of time that you need to brave up prior to dipping your palms into the hot palm nut while extracting the sauce. If you consider your palms too fragile to embark on this, please kindly abstain from doing this. I don't want anyone to accuse me of burning his or her palms and fingers, please. So now that we have some hot water in here, the next thing I did was to dip in my hands and squeeze the palm fruits. This process helps to separate the oil from the chaffs. And here I was separating the chaffs from the palm sauce. And here comes the clear chaff free from the oil. Although I didn't capture it in this video, but I still went ahead to add a little bit of hot water in this chaff to extract the rest of the oil and sauce. After the sauce extraction, I went ahead to sift it using a sieve. Please use a bigger sieve that can contain as much quantity of the palm as possible at the same time. As you can observe, this small one I used here wasn't big enough to perfectly serve my purpose at once, but that's okay. So sifting the sauce is to ensure that no unwanted item goes into the sauce. And here comes our freshly made palm fruit sauce. Oh, this is so colorful and captivating, ready to be used for cooking as desired. This particular sauce is so ready for cooking the ofeakwu stew, and like I previously mentioned, watch out for the video on how to cook the ofeakwu stew. So thank you for sitting back to watch me extract my palm fruit sauce, and I hope you will make yours as well. And when you do, let us know how it turns out for you in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. It's actually free, you know. Please feel free to share this video as everyone needs to learn this hack of palm nut sauce extraction. Don't forget to subscribe to the Global Food Book YouTube channel to be notified once a new video is released. See you in my next video, and bye for now.